This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
It's November 28, 2018. This one here, I got a call from a customer, well, actually a new customer. He's got no heat on one of his zones. I think the upper floor, he said he's got no heat on there, so. Maybe it's airbound or got a bad zone valve or circulator, I'm not sure, so. I'm on my way there now. It's a little right on the highway here, not too far. Miss Molly is working again, yo. Are you working again? Oh, yeah, I know you are. You love working. You love going to work. Yeah, you love it. You love working. Yeah, you love working. I know you do. You're a working machine. Oh, I know it. Yeah, you love working. Alright guys, so one of these zone heads I think is bad. He's gonna go turn down the two that are working, and the one that's not working he's gonna turn up. This sucker's red hot. I bet you it's this one. I did check it, but I got no voltage there, so can't guarantee that. I checked it with my meter. So he's gonna turn the two that are working off. And the one that's not working, he's going to turn it up. Might have to purge the zones too. Looks PEX. Oh, bro. High limits at 160. That's low. Wow, look at he's got this turned down 100 degrees. That's really low. Crazy low. I wonder why he had it so low. That's better there. Then I hit at 120. I mean, really? She's not pulling down, so it's probably just a bad head. We'll try changing the head out, see what happens. These two seem to be working okay. It's just that one then. So you got an electric hot water heater here? I can turn the low. I can turn the low limit down if you want. Then that's probably why the low limit was so low.
Okay.
You're not using this then?
Not for heating the water.
Okay.
For heating the house.
Okay, so we got to leave the high limit at 180. 180 though. He had it at 160. We'll leave the high limit at 180. Okay. We could turn the low limit down like 130, and that's fine.
Okay.
Let me get a head out of the truck, and we'll try changing that.
Okay, yeah, because he was saying, look, every time you need hot water, this furnace is gonna come on. That's not really, it's better to just heat it with something else. That's why,
Flipping dungeon you got down here. Good thing you didn't tell me you had a crawl space. I wouldn't have came.
Really?
I'm just joking. That's my buddy, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, that's my buddy. That's my little girl. Yeah, that's my buddy. Gotta get a zone head out of here. Should have one. Hopefully. Gotta get my new one. Hope there ain't no Taj Mahal here, Mama. Here we go. There's another one there. I'll just grab one. This is brand new. I'll just grab it off of here. And I'll be back. You know?
Really? Why?
Well, yeah. See if I come here, and this, you know, this job is fine when I leave it, and then you know, a week later is another problem. I'd like to do this way here. I got a copy of it. You know?
Oh no, I mean the YouTube video. That's what I mean. That's pretty good that you do that.
Yeah.
I figure, what the hell, I'm gonna call him up.
So there's no power to this baby.
Not too many people do that.
No.
Well,
Probably not. So we'll just hook the wires up and it should be fine.
he isn't raising 5 kids. Actually.
Alright, we'll try it. We got the new head on there and we'll try it. Now it takes 90 seconds
Okay,
for it to energize. And then this should pull down easy.
that would be good.
You know. And we did check this with the pump pliers. It wasn't frozen. Sometimes these plungers will get frozen.
That's what I was.
But that's why I used it with my pliers, made sure it was okay. You know, so it should be fine. It's probably just that head.
Okay. That's what I started.
You know, usually if they're hot, you know, they're red hot. Sometimes they're.
See, I was thinking, hey, you know what, Grace? Maybe it's a mechanical. Maybe I know from the video and everything that actuates a little motor that opens the valve.
Well, what happens is you got common going to 2 on the 24 volts, and you got voltage from the transformer going to the thermostat and then coming back to this. So when your thermostat closes, it sends voltage to 1 and 2, 24 volts.
Okay.
And then it takes 90 seconds for this common to go to this common and create a circuit to fire the TT on the control.
Okay.
So you got 2 commons going to the TT. You know, you can't put a common and a positive together because you'll short the transformer. Okay. So that's how it works. Okay. You know, this is all on a common leg.
Okay.
2 and 3. So once this 90 seconds, this should, here it goes, just energized.
Oh Jesus, that would be beautiful.
We'll see if it works. Yep, there it goes. See how it comes down easy?
Okay.
Now that should fire up.
I'm hoping the hell
Yep, that's running. I could hear it. You can see it's calling right there.
Okay. It wasn't before then.
Nope, see the controls calling right there?
Okay.
So that's it. That's what the problem was. We're off on high limit right now.
That's getting heat then?
Well, yeah, let's give it a minute and we'll see.
Yeah.
It should be this one. Feel the pipe going up, it's going out nice and hot.
Okay.
Feel it? Mm-hmm. And we might have to purge it. We'll make sure it comes back.
Yeah, it is getting hot, man.
Give it a minute. You could see it's calling, it's coming down easy. That's what we want.
Yeah, that's one thing that was screwed up then. That could have been it.
That was probably just a bad head. Well, you have to be careful you don't touch 1 and 2 together when it's calling because you'll cook the transformer.
Yeah.
And you'll be buying another control.
Yeah, that's why, you know, like I thought of this and I figured, you know, with my luck it's not just the head. You know what? And I thought maybe it's mechanical. How do I know that it isn't the valve stuck? You know? I figured you better look at it.
Yeah, this one's starting to come back warm. This must be the one. Yep, put your hand on this. You could feel the return coming back hot. Feel it?
Yep.
That's the one.
Yep.
So I don't know what we want to mark it. What floor that is?
If you want to, it's all on the same floor. It's different areas.
Well, at least you know that's. You said that was your bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Okay. Now, what about this? What about this burner? You want to look into that or what?
If you want to look at it.
How long has it been since you had it cleaned?
It's been a while. How much would it be for you to do that?
You know, probably another hour.
Okay, I mean for money.
money-wise, you know, $110, something like that.
Okay.
Depends. If it's all full of soot and I got to take it apart, it's going to be more.
Okay, how much is that one? I'm trying to figure out what the total bill's gonna be. Some estimate.
Well, it's done time material, you know. That right there, that the head's 125
Okay.
plus my time, which is probably 96, 1 hour.
Okay.
You know, so figure that's that.
5 then.
And then, you know, nozzle and filter on this tank, and I don't know, get it up and running. If it needs to be brushed, I don't know until I get into it.
Okay.
You want me to just charge you for this for now, and you can call me back another time, or save some more money?
If I could afford this, I'd have you do more.
Yeah.
You know. So that's 225 we're talking there, right?
100 and 125, yeah, 225.
Okay.
And then the burner, I don't know, once I start getting in it, if it needs to be all brushed down, you know.
Okay. What would you guess for an estimate, even if I don't have you do it today? Just on that.
I don't do estimates on stuff like that. Usually it's time material, because I don't know until I get into it. If it's all full of soot, and it's going to take me another hour to clean it good, and I got to put K-wall on the top, it's going to be more money than if I don't have to do that.
What would it be in that situation? I'm trying to get the worst case scenario. I'm trying to guess what I need for later.
Usually a cleaning's like, you know, 125, 150,
Yeah.
but it could go up to 250 or more. It depends how bad it is.
Okay.
So I got no set fee for, you know,
Okay.
if you want a set fee for the thing, I'll give you $300 set fee and I'll do it.
Yeah.
But, you know, it doesn't make sense because if it's not that bad, I come in and out of here and I charge people time material.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so I'm trying to figure the worst case scenario for the next time, maybe. Maybe.
Most likely, you know, 150 area, but I'm not guaranteeing it until I get into it and see what the hell's going on with it. I'm not going to say 150 and then I'm here for, 2 hours because the thing's all full of soot. I'm trying to be fair with you.
I know, I'm trying to be fair. I'm just trying to get an idea. That's all.
Pellet stove, so if worst comes to worst, wow, this tank looks pretty.
Been there like forever.
Holy shit. Yeah, another one. You gotta marry some rich broad, then you'll be all set.
I never do that.
Really?
I'm go out with somebody, they don't have any money. I don't have a lot, they got less than I do. You know, I've never met one with money.
Wow, this thing's crusty, guy.
What can you do about that? Anything? Replace it, right?
Yeah, look at it. I mean,
It only costs a few $100 right? That's so it's not
a few hundred.
a couple of thousand, right?
Yeah, more like 25.
Yeah. That ain't gonna happen.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm 72 years old. I'm not gonna live long enough to make it cost effective, you know? That's not worth it.
Yeah, she's crusty.
I'll be dead before I need to do that.
Yeah. All right, let me get you a slip.